Hello, pet lovers. Welcome you all to Vet Vision. Today, I am going to give you some tips on dogs' health and how to keep them safe. So, let's begin. The first and most important things you have to remember is that dog friendly home. Yes, check that your home is safe for your dog, ideally, before you bring them to your home. For instance, make sure any electrical cord they might chew on, keep your toilet lids always closed, and then make sure that they they can't get into any medications or household cleaners, as it may be poisonous for them. And also check that your pet can't get to any human food, some of them which may be toxic to them. Which are they, I will tell you afterwards. Then second important thing is vaccination of your puppies. Ideally we recommend puppies vaccine at 6 weeks of age, means if they are 50 to 60 days old. And then every 3 weeks, means 21 days gap, we have to give them booster dose of DHPPI, and up to 16 weeks of age, and in that we have to cover rabies vaccines also. And then adult dog needs to be revaccinated every 1 or 3 years, every years. Okay. Then next important thing is food of your dog. Your dog's age, weight, health, and activity level matters when it comes to what they eat. And be aware of feeding your dog bones, raw meat, or raw eggs, as a research may say that feeding raw food can lead to serious health problems for your animal, like infection like E. coli and salmonellosis, and other harmful bacteria too. And bone can tear the dog's stomach or intestine in some cases. Then we have to prevent overpopulation of our pet dogs or stray dogs, and for that spaying and neuter is important. Just minor surgery, and that keeps them from having puppies. Plus point is your pet can even benefit from this procedure. How? I will tell you. Spay female have lower odds of getting breast cancer and uterine infection later in her life, and neuter males have a lower risk of prostate disease and testicular cancer too, and the procedure are generally safe. And the next important thing that dog loves the most is exercise. Dog needs exercise the same as we need, so it keeps them healthy weight, and it gives them an outlet for their physical and mental energy too, and ours too. That can help you control bad habits like digging, barking, and chewing the things which a dog tends to do when they are bored. And the best things in exercise is dog want to interact with humans, so choose activity you can do together, like playing fetch, walking. And we have to focus on his teeth also. So make sure that brush your dog's teeth every day as possible, as it keeps her dog's breath fresh and help them prevent the gum diseases, which is always linked to health problem such as heart and liver diseases. And also observe the signs of dental diseases such as bleeding, discolored teeth, or bad breath, that indications of kidney failure in some of the cases. The next thing is weather changes, and it is necessary things. Keep on mind always, when summer heat is on, walk your dog in the shade or on the grass to keep hot pavement from. And always make sure that your dogs get plenty of water throughout the day. uh, Parasite control that annoy your dog very much, so apply spot on every month to your dogs. You can use Bravecto tablets also. Then you can use tick flea shampoo if your dogs have ticks and flea problem, and deworm your dog regularly. Easy pet and worm trap tablets are very good. Spot ons you can use Fiprofort, Fipronil, Advocate, or powder and Notix powder are also very very good for use. Then next important thing is be prepared for poisoning. As I earlier told you that some human feed cause poisoning in your dogs, and these are this food like chocolate, alcoholic beverage, apple seeds, apricot pits, avocado, cherry pits, candy, and coffee. And the last and important thing, so watch for warning signs, as our dogs can't uh, tell us about their health conditions. So keep your eyes open for signs that sometime something is off, and contact your vet for. Uh, uh, Dogs can't tell you when they don't feel well, so keep your eyes on them, and contact your vet if you notice warning signs of health problems such as change in his poop or pee, any change in eating habits, vomiting, discharge from eyes, nose, or any other places, or bald patches on skin, every bad smell from any body parts, lots of licking or biting a spot on his body, coughing, and weight loss. Also, watch out for odd behaviors. If your dog suddenly seem very aggressive or sleepy, it could be a sign of health problem. So, consult your veterinarians on this. Thank you for watching.